When it comes to meal kit delivery services, there are some standout options that are impressing customers with their health-focused and high-quality plans, making meal prep easier while enjoying nutritious tasting meals. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to compare 5 of the best meal kit delivery services, which are HelloFresh, Blue Apron, Factor 75, GreenChef, and HomeChef. I'll go through their plans and pricing, some of the pros and cons, and see how they stack up against each other so you can tell which one is the perfect fit for you. And if at any point you decide that you want to try any of these services, you can use the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. All right, so what exactly are meal kit delivery services? Simply put, they're companies that simplify the cooking process and make it more convenient for you to prepare meals at home. They do this by sending you all of the ingredients you need, already measured and portioned, right to your front door. No more last-minute trips to the grocery store or spending time deciding what to make for dinner. With these services, everything is planned out for you. Just open the box, follow the instructions, and enjoy a delicious home-cooked meal. Each meal kit delivery service has its own pricing structure and unique offerings, which can make it tough to decide which one is right for you. But don't worry, because I'll be breaking down each option, highlighting their prices, what makes them special, and what you can expect from them. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, health-conscious, or gourmet, there is a meal kit delivery service out there to suit your needs. So let's jump in and explore all of the options. So we're going to start with HelloFresh. They've been one of the most popular meal kit services out there with over 2,500 recipes in their catalog. Their current meal plans are meat and veggies, family-friendly, fit and wholesome, quick and easy, and finally, pescatarian. In terms of pricing, I went with a 4-meal subscription for 2 people, so 8 servings in total, which cost me $90 and works out to $10 per serving and another $11 for each delivery. But you can get a nice discount when you first subscribe. Also, you need to keep in mind that the lowest number of meals you can get for a subscription are 2 meals for 2 people, and for which you're going to pay about $11.50 per meal. And you can opt for premium meals, which are about $9 more per serving if you want to get a lot fancier. So if you want to impress your girl, no, that's another option. Blue Apron is another extremely popular meal kit service. They're well known for their gourmet-like recipes and their huge selection of international cuisine, with over 70+ weekly options to pick from, and their meals are divided into 5 different plans: chef's favorite, wellness, family-friendly, fast and easy, and veggies. Similar to HelloFresh, Blue Apron offers 2 to 4 servings per recipe, but with Blue Apron, you can get up to 5 meals per week, which means you can get a maximum of 20 servings each week. When it comes to pricing, their cost per serving starts off at $10 and goes down the more servings and recipes you order each week to reach $8 per serving if you're getting 4 servings and 5 meals that week. Next up is Factor 75. They are a meal delivery service that specializes in fully prepared heat and eat meals and offers a wide variety of well-balanced, chef-prepared recipes with whole food ingredients to fit any lifestyle. They have a rotating weekly menu of 35 gourmet meals. These meals come in 6 different categories: Chef's Choice, Keto, Calorie Smart, Flexitarian, Vegan and Veggie, and Protein Plus. With Factor, you can order a minimum of 6 meals per week and up to 18 servings per week. The price per serving starts off at $13.50 for the 6-meal plan and goes down to $11 per serving for 18 meals. Now, next up is GreenChef, which is a meal delivery service that specializes in offering customers organic, healthy, and sustainably sourced ingredients to create restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your own home. So GreenChef gives you access to a variety of meal plans to cater to different dietary requirements and preferences, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, keto, and gluten-free options. They have a rotating menu of 30 meals per week, and these meals are split into 8 different categories, which are Mediterranean, keto, protein-packed, calorie smart, plant-based, quick and easy, gluten-free, and finally, gut and brain health. They offer 2, 4, or 6 servings per meal and either 3 or 4 meals per week. The price per serving is now listed at $12, irrespective of what box size you choose. HomeChef is a meal delivery service that provides fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes to make delicious meals at home. They also offer a variety of meal plans to cater to different dietary needs and preferences, including low-carb, vegetarian, and gluten-free options. You can also choose from a weekly rotating menu of 20 different recipes which includes options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The recipes are designed to be easy to follow and be cooked in 30 minutes or less. Now, when it comes to pricing, your order cost will vary depending on the size of the order and meal options you select. Their pricing is tiered so that orders containing 6 servings or more have a lower price per serving than orders containing 4 servings, which is the minimum number of servings to place an order. Standard meals start at around $7 per serving if you cook for 2 people 6 times a week, and just varies a little if you choose other options. So to sum things up, meal kit delivery services offer a convenient way to enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle of meal planning or grocery shopping. From HelloFresh's diverse recipe options to Blue Apron's gourmet meals and Factor 75's fully prepared dishes, there's a service to fit every need and lifestyle. GreenChef stands out for its organic and sustainable ingredients, while Home Chef gives you flexible meal options and quick and easy to follow recipes. Each service comes with its own pricing and plan structures, so there are plenty of variety depending on your budget and your preferences. So whether you're looking for something affordable, health-focused, or time-saving, meal kits can simplify your meal prep and add variety to your diet. With so many options on the market, it's easier than ever to find a service that matches your culinary needs. So take a look at what's available and see which one fits your lifestyle best. All right, guys, that's it for this review of my top 5 meal kit delivery services. If you found this video helpful and interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos just like this. And just to reiterate one more time, if you do decide to try any of these services, you can use the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, and I'll try to get back to any questions or comments you leave down below as fast as I can. And finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.